Hello traders, welcome to module 46 MACD, which stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Now it's betterly known as the MACD, another fancy name for another cool, very cool indicator. MACD shows a relationship between two moving averages, a slower and a faster moving average. The MACD is in search of a new trend, whether it's bullish or bearish. In other words, it represents market sentiments. MACD will show you or will show up at the bottom of your price chart as indicated above. MACD is a rule of three. Now it's easy to remember that when using MACD, you are looking for three numbers. The number of periods used to calculate the faster moving average, the number of periods used to calculate the slower moving average, and lastly but not least but not last, the numbers of candlesticks used to calculate the moving average of the difference between the faster and slower moving average. The default settings for these three numbers are 12, 26 and 9. However, these can be manually changed if you are into numerology or have a particular fear of number 2. The 12 is the moving average of the previous 12 candlesticks. The 26 is the moving average of the previous 26 candlesticks. The 9 is the moving average of the difference between the two prior moving averages. So let's visualize it all. The gray vertical lines are the 12 exponential moving average, or EMA as you already know it, while the blue line is the 26. Both the gray and the blue lines tell us if the market sentiment is bullish or bearish, uptrend or downtrend. As shown by the yellow circle above, once the 12 moves above the 26, there is a switch back to a bullish market. The situation then switches back at the point marked by the blue circle. We see the 12 EMA moving below the 26 EMA, signaling that the market is now bearish and probably a good time to sell. The closer the moving averages come together, the slower the trend may be. As the moving averages move further away from each other and the market picks up, the price moves at a faster pace. In this case, you have one slow and one fast moving average that pull apart. So you can use the MACD to determine whether or when to be aggressive or conservative in your trades. When the moving averages start moving apart, it is a good indicator for traders to become more aggressive. If the two moving averages are converging, then this might signify the end of a trend or start of a cross. In this case, traders usually become more conservative in their trades. Remember, do not set the MACD on a 1-minute chart. A 1-minute chart is far too short a time frame to accurately measure market sentiment. MACD though works best on a 1-hour chart or above. So how do we set up MACD on your MT4? Firstly, click on Insert, then you'll see the option Indicators, go on to Oscillators and you click on to MACD. You will get a new window to edit the MACD parameters. Now in the Parameters tab, you will find 3 variables. You can manually change the value of these variables. Then click on OK once you are done.